What is the beginning sound of the picture? Aw. O is for olives. What is the beginning sound of the picture? P is for pocket knife. What is the beginning sound of the picture? N. N is for nap. What is the beginning sound of the picture? U makes the sound for ovens. What is the beginning sound of the picture? M. M is for microwave. What is the beginning sound of the picture? P is for pray. What is the beginning sound of the picture? M. M is for metronome. What is the beginning sound of the picture? N. N is for navy blue. This video was brought to you by TechLabShop.com, where you can find more resources for children, like games, videos, vocabulary activities, math and reading resources. Try our interactive wall where you can click on one of our videos to watch. You can even subscribe to our channel by clicking the blue subscribe button. If you have subscribed already, we want to say thanks. Don't forget to share our educational YouTube channel with others. You can also follow us on Twitter and tweet us or retweet your favorite videos to others using hashtag #CompLabTeacher.